Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand what are data tables in Excel. Data tables in Excel are tools that allow you to perform a kind of what if analysis by calculating and displaying multiple results based on different input values. They are useful for conducting sensitive analysis, especially in financial modeling or any scenario where you want to see how changing certain variables affects the outcome. There are two types of data tables in Excel. The first one is one variable data tables. These variables use one input cell, that is changing a single variable, to calculate different results based on various values in column or row. Now let's see this first one. So for this we will go in Excel workbook. Now here we are having a data which consists of loan amount, the tenure of the loan, interest rate. The payments are done in the beginning or at the end. If the payments are done in the beginning, it will be indicated by 1, and if it is in the end, it will be indicated by 0. We'll calculate the EMI, that is equated monthly installment, and for this we will activate the syntax, the formula PMT. So click here. You'll have to write down here PMT, go, and this is the first function. Click OK. So we'll have to specify the rate. Now the rate, this is the annual rate. We will convert this annual rate into the monthly rate. So let's write down B3 by 12. Now the total number of payments for the loan. The tenure is 15 years, and therefore as it is a monthly payment, 15 into 12, present value. The present value will be B1, and click OK. So you got the EMI. This is a monthly EMI. Let's proceed further. Now I'll write down here interest rate, and here let's say B6. Now I want to find out that what will be my EMI when interest rate is 11%, 12%, 13%, and 14%. So 11%, 12%, 13%, and 14%. I'll select this. Now I'll go in what if analysis, data table. So you will have to give column input cells, and that is B3, the interest rate, and click OK. So you can see it has automatically generated the EMI for 11%, 12%, 13%, 14%. So this is one-way table. Now let's talk about the two-way table. Two variable data tables. These tables use two input cells, changing two variables simultaneously to calculate different results based on grid of input values. So let's go in the Excel workbook again. Now I want to find out the EMI for the different combinations of interest rate and tenure. So I'll write down here what will be my EMI for tenure 10 years, 11 years, 12 years, 13 years, and 14 years. And here the interest rates are 10%, 11%, 12%, 13%, 14%, and 15%. And here I'll take B6, enter. I'll select the entire matrix. Go in what if analysis, data table, row input cell, it will be B2, column input cell, it will be 10%. See, why we are taking row input cell as B2? Because this is a tenure, which is in row, and column input cell is a percentage, which is in column. Okay, click here, click OK, done. And you have got the entire matrix, which consists of different combinations. That what will be my EMI if the interest rate is 12% and the tenure is 12 years, the monthly EMI. So this was all about data tables in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.